Doing it at 28 years old.
You damn right.
January 20th, 2018.
Right.
We'll get
In North Dakota, Jamestown.
Get familiar with this then. Because this is called a fishing rod. For ice fishing.
So, your question was what made you go fishing today? Or should we say ice fishing?
It's fishing in general, yes. Ice fishing, but that's what we're doing.
So, as a very young guy, back, I'm talking about, I was like 6, 7, in Africa, right?
Yep.
My dad bought some, what do you call it, fishing rod?
Fishing rod, tackle.
Whatever. I never had the chance to use them, so I've always wondered, you know, the hook for the meat or whatever, what is it for? I didn't know a damn thing, so I was always thinking, like, how do fish this idiot to come and fucking bite a damn metal piece, and just, you know? So it was a hobby that I wanted to do as a young kid, but doing it at a grown ass dude. This looks like a baby one though. Is it supposed to be long and slow? Well, that's like when you're doing outside.
That's what you use.
Is it for the freshmen and shit? Like for the new guys and shit?
No.
Oh.
That's just a tag from when I was at the store.
You even got me a nice new one too. Nice.
I just blew a tire. Great.
You did? Someone bought that fucking trailer. Awesome.
So get used to that.
So, okay, is there any buttons in here or something?
There's no buttons.
Everything.
I mean, you gotta put a reel on it.
You know, it's hooked up here.
That's for the yeah.
I used to get, like, if I don't get my classes right in Africa, I used to get whipped with this shit. This will be a good fucking hand to shit for my tail.
Yeah, we'll just set this back here.
That way. When we're gonna go hunting, man, I wanna fucking kill some coyotes, man.
I'm going tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm going coyote hunt tomorrow.
No way. Bring my African. I can use that. Your rifle will do shit.
A blow dart gun?
That's pretty good. Where you going?
Before Valley City.
Let me know, man. I might be here for Sunday too.
Did you take a hunter safety course or no?
Oh yeah.
You have that? Really? For North Dakota?
Come on, man. I'm prepared. Like, motherfucker.
Have you ever hunted?
No, that's the weird part. But I just never. It was so many things I wanted to do. Fishing was part of it, but then time came and I had to move back to Minneapolis.
So that's your concealed carry license.
Just the concealed, but it pretty much it does like I did the class.
But
6 hours and shit.
But to get a hunting license.
No, not the hunting license. No, I didn't do that one.
Oh, okay. Did you take a hunter safety course or no?
Oh yeah. I just did the classes for concealed.
But to legally buy a hunting license in North Dakota, you have to buy or you have to take a North Dakota hunter safety course.
Is it the shit that you go for shooting and shit? To make sure you shoot on target?
Well, it's like a 4-day class. Then at the end of it, you go shooting.
Yep, that's what I did.
Let's see your fishing license that you just got. Because up here it would say hunter safety numbers. Do you have a card that you took a hunter safety course?
So what's the whole shit called? Hunter safety course?
Yeah, you.
No, I ain't done it. No, if that's the title, no, I ain't done it.
Okay,
Nothing
then you can't legally hunt. Yeah, reel him. Reel him in.
Oh, this is big.
Is it? Okay, hold on.
This is big.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. No, that's a good fish.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'll take a picture. I'm going to put it on my Snapchat.
Real quick.
Ready? Smile. Nice.
Awesome. Pretty dope. This fucking guy grills for days.
Here. Roll 'em in.
Wake up.
What, do you got bait? You got hooks or what?
Oh, I still got my shit.
There you go.
Ha!
Pretty good picture.
That's pretty nice.
I'm saving that shit.
That's pretty dope.
Oh, you got it? You know how to do it?
I see it.
You figured it out, right?
Oh, you got it.
That's a nicer one too, son.
Go.
Gone.
Still right there.
He gone. Gone
Man.
like a freight train, gone like yesterday. You know that song?
Country song?
Yeah.
I know Wagon Wheel. That was my first, actually. But I moved at my
Wagon
songs.
wheel.
The guy from the Hoodie and the Blue, Hoodie and the Fish.
Hoodie in the blue. Oh yeah, okay.
What's his name?
I don't know. I
And
don't
he-
listen to country all that much.
Yeah, it was a Wagon Wheel. Know me, mama, like a wagon.
Oh yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
When I heard that, I'm like, this dude, me and this guy have something in common. I can't think about it.
Hey, Dad.
You know.
What's going on,
here?
son?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Any fish? Oh, some little slimy. Not slimy. You got your ice cleats on?
Yeah.
That sucks.
For you owe me $50.
True.
What happened? The fish just take it or what?
No, I handed the rod to him and it slipped out of butter hands.
And it
It's
happened to go
okay.
right down the wall. Huh?
Right down the hole. It's fine.
What are the chances of that?
That's why the store makes more, right? Yeah, handle first and it just sank.
Yeah,
Whatever.
usually they bob a little bit. And
Right. Oh well. We tried, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one.
Bang, bang.
Oh man.